Hey there, fellow sleep enthusiasts. Welcome back to GEM, where we transform complex science into bite-sized wisdom. Today, we're diving into something we all love but sometimes struggle with: sleep. Ready to revolutionize your nights? Let's jump right in. You know that feeling when you're tossing and turning, checking your phone for the 100th time? We've all been there. But here's the thing: quality sleep isn't just a luxury. It's your body's superpower, and I'm about to share the secrets to unlocking it. Tip 1. The power of consistency. Think of your body as a finely tuned orchestra. Your internal clock or circadian rhythm is the conductor. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends, I know, you're helping your conductor keep perfect time. Your body starts producing sleep hormones right when you need them. Pure magic. Tip 2. The 90-minute rule. Here's something fascinating. Our sleep works in 90-minute cycles. Each cycle takes you through different sleep stages, from light sleep to deep sleep to REM. Want to wake up feeling refreshed? Try planning your bedtime in 90-minute increments from when you need to wake up. For example, if you need to wake at 7 a.m., aim to fall asleep at either 10 p.m. or 11:30 p.m. Tip 3. The bedroom revolution. Your bedroom should be your sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool. Around 65° Fahr or 18° C is perfect. Make it dark. Even tiny lights from electronics can disrupt your sleep. And quiet? Well, if you can't control outside noise, try white noise or soft nature sounds. It's like creating your personal sleep cocoon. Tip 4. The digital sunset. Here's the hard truth. Your devices are sleep vampires. That blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Start your digital sunset 90 minutes before bed. Trust me, those TikTok videos will still be there tomorrow. Instead, try reading, stretching, or my personal favorite, journaling. Tip 5. The power down routine. Your brain loves routines. Create a consistent bedtime ritual. Maybe a warm shower, some light stretching, or deep breathing exercises. It's like giving your mind a gentle nudge saying, hey, it's time to wind down. Tip 6. The food and drink strategy. Think of your body as a processing plant. Heavy meals before bed? That's like asking your workers to do overtime when they should be resting. Try to eat your last meal 3 hours before bedtime. And caffeine? Give it a 10-hour buffer before bed. Yes, that afternoon coffee might be sabotaging your sleep. Tip 7. The morning light trick. Here's a game changer. Get some bright light exposure within 30 minutes of waking up. Take your coffee outside, do some stretching by a bright window, or go for a quick walk. This sets your body's internal clock for the whole day. It's like pressing the reset button on your sleep-wake cycle. Tip 8. The exercise connection. Here's something cool. Regular exercise can be your sleep's best friend, but timing is everything. Try to wrap up any intense workouts at least 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. Morning or afternoon exercise can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. It's like giving your body a natural sleep enhancer. Tip 9. The stress release racing thoughts. Keeping you up? Keep a worry journal by your bed. When those late-night concerns pop up, write them down. It's like downloading your worries onto paper, freeing up your mind for sleep. Remember, great sleep isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and build from there. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, share with someone who needs better sleep, and don't forget to subscribe to GEM for more science-backed life hacks. Sweet dreams, everyone.